When you search for best travel essentials, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims, but to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Biocollagen Face Mask. We have the BioDance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. What caught my attention was its promise of deep hydration and skin rejuvenation for just $19. If you want to maintain that healthy glow while traveling, this is worth a serious look. This mask is specially made with ultra-low molecular collagen. What that means for you is better absorption, helping to tighten those pores and improve elasticity. It's packed with oligo-hyaluronic acid, which hydrates deeper than regular hyaluronic acid, making your skin feel nourished and refreshed. Plus, it has ingredients like galactomyces ferment filtrate to brighten your skin and even out your complexion. With over 100,000 units sold recently, users clearly love the results. Now, some people complained about the mask being a bit slippery when applying it. Here's the thing though, once it's on, it works wonders. If you can handle a little initial fuss, the results make it all worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're looking to revive your skin after long flights or sun exposure. Skip this one if you prefer traditional skincare routines that don't involve masks. It's a solid investment for your skincare during travels. Now, if the hydration aspect of this mask isn't your main concern, the next product could be exactly what you need.
Product number 2, Listerine Breath Strips. We have the Listerine Travel Essentials Cool Mint Pocket Packs. At just $5.58, these mini mouthwash strips might be the unsung hero of your travel kit. If you want fresh breath without the hassle of bulky mouthwash bottles, this is a must-have. These breath strips dissolve quickly on your tongue, providing instant freshness anytime, anywhere. They kill 99% of bad breath germs using essential oils, which is a big deal when you're hopping from one meal to the next. They fit in your pocket, purse, or even your goodie bag, making them super portable. With 70,000 packs sold recently, they are obviously a travel favorite. However, some users mention that the mint flavor can be a bit overpowering. Here's the thing, it's meant to be strong to tackle bad breath effectively, so if you're sensitive to strong flavors, you might want to try a less intense option. This is perfect for you if you want a discreet and effective breath freshener while on the go. Skip this if you prefer chewing gum, as these strips provide a different experience. For the price, they offer fantastic value for freshening up on the fly. Now, if you're looking for something to handle those unexpected sneezes, the next product has got you covered.
Product number 3, Kleenex On-the-Go Tissues. Priced at just $2.48, these are a lifesaver for anyone who hates being caught unprepared. If you want to stay clean and dry during your travels, this is definitely worth a look. These tissues come in convenient packs, so they're easy to toss in your bag. They're ultra soft and absorbent, which is great when you need to blow your nose or wipe down surfaces. Each pack contains 10 tissues, and with 70,000 packs sold recently, it's safe to say they're a hit among travelers. Some users reported that they wish the tissues were a bit thicker. Honestly, while they are soft, they might not hold up as well for tougher jobs. But if you're just looking for something to deal with everyday messes, they're more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're prone to allergies or want a quick cleanup solution while traveling. Skip this if you prefer sturdier options for more heavy-duty situations. For the price, you're getting a simple yet effective solution. Alright, if you need to beat the heat during your travels, the next product will keep you cool. Product number 4, A-Coolie Slim Portable Fan. The A-Coolie Slim Portable Fan. At $9.99, this little gadget caught my eye with its promise of 24 hours of cooling on a single charge. If you want to stay refreshed during your outdoor adventures, this fan is worth considering. This fan is super slim and lightweight, perfect for fitting into your pocket or bag. It offers 3 speed settings, so you can adjust the airflow to suit your needs. Plus, the foldable design lets you use it handheld or as a desktop fan, which is pretty versatile for travel. With 30,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among summer travelers. Some users noted that the fan can be a bit noisy on the highest setting. Here's the thing though, if you're using it outdoors, a little noise is a small trade-off for staying cool when it's hot. This is perfect for you if you're planning a trip during the summer months or need a little breeze at your desk. Skip this if you prefer quieter appliances, as it might not be the best fit for you. It's a great value for the comfort it brings. Lastly, if you want to travel without worrying about wardrobe malfunctions, the final product might just be your savior. Product number 5, Nippy's Nipple Covers. We have the Nippies nipple covers for women, priced at $26.50. If you want to wear your favorite outfits without the hassle of the bra, these are definitely worth a look. These silicone nipple covers are designed to provide a smooth finish under your clothing, whether it's a backless dress or a sheer top. They're reusable and can last up to 12 hours in place, so you don't have to worry about them slipping during your time out. Plus, they're virtually invisible, matching your skin tone and providing comfort. With 30,000 units sold, many women clearly appreciate the freedom they offer. Now, some users have mentioned that they can be tricky to remove. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions, they should come off without much trouble. Just be gentle and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you love wearing fashion-forward clothing without the discomfort of a bra. Skip this if you prefer more traditional support, as these might not give you the lift you're used to. They offer great value for those looking for comfort and style.
So, to wrap it all up, we've got the hydrating biocollagen mask, the freshening Listerine breath strips, handy Kleenex tissues, the cooling A-Coolie fan, and the discreet nipple covers. Each product brings something unique to the table, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Choose the ones that fit your needs best.